everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello, hello. I am Alex, and today we have the most fun episode we have ever made.
That is right. Today we are talking about how to master English by listening to and singing songs.
Yes, learning English through music is honestly one of the greatest discoveries of my life.
Same. I improved my English so much just by listening to and singing along with my favorite songs.
And today, we are going to show you exactly how to do it the right and most effective way.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Mia, tell me honestly, what was the very first English song you ever learned by heart?
Oh, that is such a fun question. My very first English song was Let It Go from the movie Frozen.
Ha ha ha, that is such a classic choice. I think almost every English learner knows that song.
Right? I sang it so many times that the English words just became completely automatic in my mouth.
And that automatic feeling is exactly what we want to help everyone experience today.
My first English song was Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. I sang it every single morning in the shower.
Haha, the shower is honestly the best English singing practice room in the whole world.
Okay, let us dive into our tips. Tip number 1. Understand why music is so powerful for learning English.
Yes, before we talk about how, let us talk about why music works so incredibly well for language learning.
Scientists have actually discovered that music activates more parts of your brain than almost anything else.
When you listen to music, your brain processes the melody, the rhythm, the words, and the emotions all at once.
And when multiple parts of your brain are activated at the same time, memory becomes so much stronger.
That is why you can remember song lyrics you heard 10 years ago, but forget vocabulary you studied yesterday.
In English, we call this the music memory effect. Music creates incredibly powerful and lasting memories.
Songs also repeat the same phrases over and over, and repetition is the foundation of all language learning.
Every chorus you sing is giving your brain repeated natural exposure to real English phrases and patterns.
And because you enjoy singing, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical.
Dopamine helps your brain learn and remember things much more effectively and naturally.
So when you learn English through music, your brain is literally in its optimal learning state.
In simple words, music makes English learning faster, more fun, and more effective all at the same time.
Tip number 2. Choose the right songs to learn English most effectively.
Not all English songs are equally good for learning. Some are much better than others for beginners.
The best songs for learning English have clear pronunciation, simple vocabulary, and natural everyday phrases.
Some great beginner songs include Count on Me by Bruno Mars. The words are very clear and simple.
Or try Somewhere Only We Know by Keane. Beautiful, simple English and very clear pronunciation.
You Are. My Sunshine is a classic learning song, super simple and incredibly catchy.
For slightly more advanced learners, try Someone Like You by Adele. Emotional and beautifully worded.
Or try Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Natural everyday English phrases used in a very romantic way.
Stay away from songs with very fast rap lyrics or heavy slang when you're just starting out.
Rap songs like Eminem are amazing, but they are too fast and complex for beginner English learners.
In English, we say, walk before you run. Start with easier songs and build up gradually over time.
And always choose songs that you genuinely enjoy, because enjoying the music is what keeps you practicing.
Tip number 3. Listen to the song first without looking at the lyrics at all.
This step is so important and so many learners skip it completely. But please do not skip it.
The first time you listen, just close your eyes and enjoy the music without worrying about the words.
Let your ears absorb the natural rhythm, the melody, the pronunciation, and the general feeling of the song.
Notice which words and phrases you can catch naturally without any help at all.
And notice which parts sound unclear or too fast. Those are the parts to focus on later.
This first pure listening step trains your ears to work hard and actively search for English sounds.
In English, this is called active listening, fully concentrating and engaging with what you hear.
Active listening is one of the most powerful skills you can develop as an English learner.
And music is one of the most enjoyable ways to practice it every single day.
Tip number 4. Read and study the lyrics carefully before you start singing.
After your first pure listening, go find the official lyrics of the song online.
Read through the lyrics slowly and carefully. Look up every single word you do not know.
Write down the new words and their meanings in your vocabulary notebook right away.
Pay special attention to phrases and expressions, not just individual vocabulary words.
For example, in the song Count on Me by Bruno Mars, there is the phrase, count on me.
Count on me means you can always depend on me and trust me to be there for you.
That is such a beautiful and useful everyday English phrase that you can use in real conversations.
Songs are absolutely packed with natural, everyday English phrases that textbooks never teach you.
In English, these natural phrases are called colloquial expressions, real language used by real people.
Colloquial expressions make your English sound natural, warm, and genuinely human.
So, mining song lyrics for colloquial expressions is one of the best vocabulary building methods ever.
Tip number 5. Listen to the song again while reading the lyrics at the same time.
This step is where the magic really starts to happen and everything begins connecting together.
Play the song and follow along with the lyrics. Let your eyes and ears work together at once.
Notice how the singer pronounces each word. Is it exactly how you expected it to sound?
Pay attention to which words the singer stresses and emphasizes most strongly.
Notice how some words blend together smoothly, like wanna instead of want to.
Or gonna instead of going to, or kinder instead of kind of. Very natural English blending.
In English, this blending of words in natural speech is called connected speech or elision.
Understanding connected speech is one of the keys to understanding fast natural English.
And music is honestly the most enjoyable way to train your ears to understand connected speech.
Listen to this step at least 3 times before moving on to the next step in the process.
Tip number 6. Sing along with the song out loud as much as possible every day.
This is the most exciting and most effective step in the whole process. And the most fun.
When you sing along out loud, you are practicing pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency all at once.
Singing forces your mouth to move in ways that make English sound naturally and correctly.
And the melody helps you remember the correct pronunciation automatically without even trying.
In English, this technique is called melodic pronunciation practice, using melody to fix pronunciation.
Start by singing slowly along with the original song. Do not try to keep up perfectly at first.
Focus on getting each word right before you try to match the full speed of the original singer.
Then gradually speed up until you can sing perfectly in time with the original recording.
The moment you can sing a song perfectly in time, your pronunciation of those words is fully trained.
And here is the best part. You will remember those words and phrases forever through the melody.
Science calls this the song stuck in your head effect, and you can use it for English learning.
Tip number 7. Record yourself singing in English and listen back carefully.
Yes, recording yourself singing is even more effective than recording yourself speaking.
When you sing, every pronunciation mistake becomes very clear and obvious in the recording.
You will hear immediately if your vowel sounds are wrong, if your rhythm is off, or if words are unclear.
Compare your recording to the original singer and notice the specific differences between the two.
Then practice those exact parts again until your recording sounds closer to the original each time.
In English, this comparison and correction process is called targeted practice.
Targeted practice means focusing your energy on the specific things that need the most improvement.
Targeted practice is always more efficient than practicing everything randomly without a clear focus.
Even just recording yourself once a week and comparing the recordings shows amazing growth over time.
Tip number 8. Learn the cultural context and story behind the song.
Oh, this tip is so interesting, and so many English learners completely overlook it.
Every great English song tells a story and comes from a specific cultural context.
Understanding that context helps you understand the deeper meaning of the words and phrases.
For example, the song Hotel California by the Eagles has very deep and symbolic meaning.
Understanding the story behind the song helps you understand phrases like, "You can check out any time you like, but you can never leave."
That phrase sounds strange on its own, but makes perfect sense when you know the full story.
Learning the culture and story behind English songs makes your understanding so much richer and deeper.
In English, this deeper cultural understanding is called cultural competence.
Cultural competence means understanding not just the language, but the culture behind the language.
And music is one of the most beautiful and accessible windows into English-speaking culture.
Tip number 9. Create your own personal English learning playlist right now.
Your English learning playlist is a collection of songs that you use specifically for English practice.
Choose 10 to 15 songs across different genres, speeds, and styles for your playlist.
Include some slow and clear songs for pure pronunciation and vocabulary practice.
Include some medium-speed songs for natural English rhythm and connected speech practice.
And include 1 or 2 slightly faster songs as a challenge to push your listening skills further.
Listen to your playlist every single day, while commuting, exercising, cooking, or relaxing.
The more times your ears hear the same songs, the more deeply the English embeds in your brain.
In English, we call this deep embedding. When something becomes so familiar, it feels completely automatic.
After 2 weeks of daily playlist listening, you will notice massive improvements in your natural listening.
Tip number 10. Use what you learn from songs in your real, everyday English conversations.
This is the most important step because it connects your music learning to your real speaking life.
Every phrase and expression you learn from a song, try to use it in a real conversation that same day.
For example, if you learned Count on Me from Bruno Mars, use it with a friend today.
Say, "Hey, if you ever need help with anything, you can always count on me. I am here for you."
Or if you learned from a Taylor Swift song the phrase, "We never go out of style."
Use it in conversation. "This jacket is so classic. I think it will never go out of style."
Every time you use a phrase from a song in real life, it gets locked into your long-term memory permanently.
In English, this is called transfer. Taking what you learned in one context and using it in another.
Transfer is the ultimate goal of all language learning, making it real and useful in your actual life.
And music makes transfer so natural because the phrases are already stuck in your head from the melody.
Okay, everyone, let us do a quick review of all 10 powerful tips from today's episode.
Tip 1. Understand why music is so powerful and effective for English learning.
Tip 2. Choose the right beginner-friendly songs with clear and simple English.
Tip 3. Listen to the song first without lyrics to train your active listening skills.
Tip 4. Study the lyrics carefully and write down all new vocabulary and expressions.
Tip 5. Listen again while reading lyrics to connect sounds with written words together.
Tip 6. Sing along out loud every day to practice pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency.
Tip 7. Record yourself singing and compare to the original to identify areas for improvement.
Tip 8. Learn the cultural story behind each song for deeper language understanding.
Tip 9. Create your personal English learning playlist and listen to it every single day.
Tip 10. Use phrases and expressions from songs in your real, everyday English conversations.
Follow all 10 tips consistently, and music will become your most powerful English learning tool.
Now it is your turn to take action starting right now today.
Go to the comments and tell us, what is your favorite English song to practice with?
Write the song title and artist in English in the comments right now.
Maybe even write one phrase from the song that you love. Let us see what you pick.
We read every single comment and we are so excited to see your song choices.
If this episode was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up right now. It means the world to us.
Share this video with your friends who love music and want to improve their English at the same time.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next amazing and fun episode.
We have so many more incredible English learning tips and conversations coming your way very soon.
Remember, every song you sing in English is a full English lesson wrapped in beautiful music.
So turn up the volume, open your mouth, and sing your way to English fluency, starting today.
We believe in you completely, and we are cheering for your English journey every single day.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are absolutely amazing, and we mean every single word.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Keep listening, keep singing, and keep growing your English every day.
You got this. See you next time.